Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand beneath the outstretched arms of one of the world's most iconic statues, reaching for the heavens above? Welcome, adventurers, to our channel. Today we are embarking on an extraordinary journey that takes us to the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where we'll unravel the mysteries and magnificence of the Christ the Redeemer statue. It's a testament to faith, a beacon of hope, and a cultural emblem that draws millions of visitors from across the globe. As we delve into the origins of the Christ the Redeemer statue, we discover a fascinating tale of faith and ambition. Constructed between 1922 and 1931 atop the Corcovado mountain, this towering monument stands as a tribute to Christianity and Brazilian culture. Designed by the Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and sculpted by French artist Paul Landowski, the statue is an enduring symbol of religious devotion and human achievement. The significance of the Christ the Redeemer statue cannot be overstated. It serves as a powerful representation of Jesus Christ, embracing the world with open arms in a gesture of compassion and peace. At 98 feet tall with a wingspan of 92 feet, this colossal statue exudes a sense of majesty and grandeur that captivates all who behold it. Perched atop the Corcovado mountain, it gazes out over the city of Rio de Janeiro, offering a breathtaking vista of urban sprawl and natural beauty. For the people of Brazil, the Christ the Redeemer statue holds profound cultural importance. It is not merely a religious symbol, but a beacon of national identity and pride. Its presence has become synonymous with the spirit of Rio de Janeiro, welcoming visitors from far and wide to experience the warmth and hospitality of Brazilian hospitality. The Christ the Redeemer statue stands as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity, boasting remarkable architectural features that have captured the imagination of millions. Crafted from reinforced concrete and soapstone, the statue's construction materials were carefully chosen for their durability and weather resistance, ensuring its longevity against the elements. The design of the Christ the Redeemer statue is a masterpiece of symbolism and artistry. With outstretched arms embracing the sky, the figure of Jesus Christ embodies the Christian message of love, compassion, and redemption. The statue's serene expression and welcoming posture invite all who behold it to find solace and peace in its presence. Every detail of the Christ the Redeemer statue is infused with profound symbolism, reflecting both the religious significance of Jesus Christ and the cultural identity of Brazil. From the folds of the robes to the intricate facial features, every aspect of the statue's design tells a story of faith, hope, and resilience. Throughout its construction, the Christ the Redeemer statue presented numerous engineering challenges, from the logistics of transporting materials to the summit of Corcovado Mountain, to the intricate process of sculpting and assembling the statue itself. Yet despite these obstacles, the vision of its creators was realized with breathtaking precision and artistry. As one of the largest Art Deco statues in the world, the Christ the Redeemer statue stands as a testament to human creativity and devotion, inspiring awe and wonder in all who gaze upon its majestic form. With its towering height and commanding presence, it serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for people of all faiths, a symbol of unity and peace in a world filled with division and strife. Christ the Redeemer statue holds profound cultural significance for the people of Brazil, transcending its religious symbolism to become a cherished national icon. For many Brazilians, the statue represents not only their Christian faith but also their pride in their country's rich heritage and natural beauty. Over the decades, it has become synonymous with the spirit of Brazil, symbolizing unity, hope, and resilience. The statue is deeply woven into the fabric of Brazilian culture, featuring prominently in religious rituals, festivals, and ceremonies. Each year, thousands of pilgrims and tourists flock to the site to pay homage, offer prayers, and seek solace in the statue's benevolent presence. From baptisms to weddings, the Christ the Redeemer statue serves as a backdrop for countless life milestones, underscoring its significance in the lives of Brazilians. Visiting the Christ the Redeemer statue is a transformative experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who make the journey to its majestic perch atop Corcovado Mountain. Accessible by various means, including train, van, and hiking trails, reaching the statue offers adventurers a chance to immerse themselves in the stunning landscapes of Rio de Janeiro while embarking on a pilgrimage to one of the world's most iconic landmarks. The spiritual and emotional impact of encountering the Christ the Redeemer statue is profound and deeply personal. For some, it is a moment of spiritual awakening, a reminder of the power of faith and the presence of divine grace. For others, it is a chance to connect with nature and find solace amidst the chaos of modern life. Whatever the experience may be, one thing is certain: a visit to the Christ the Redeemer statue is a journey of the soul, leaving visitors forever changed by its beauty and majesty. While the Christ the Redeemer statue stands as a timeless symbol of faith and cultural heritage, it is not immune to the effects of time and environmental factors. Perched atop Corcovado Mountain, the statue is exposed to the elements, facing challenges such as weathering, erosion, and pollution. Over the years, these natural and human-induced pressures have taken their toll on the monument, threatening its structural integrity and iconic stature. To combat these challenges, ongoing conservation efforts are essential to ensure the preservation of the Christ the Redeemer statue for generations to come. A dedicated team of experts works tirelessly to monitor the statue's condition, implementing strategies to mitigate damage and protect its cultural significance. Sustainable tourism practices play a crucial role in preserving the Christ the Redeemer statue and its surrounding environment. Visitors are encouraged to tread lightly, respecting the natural beauty of Corcovado Mountain and minimizing their ecological footprint. By promoting responsible stewardship and environmental awareness, we can ensure that the Christ the Redeemer statue remains a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations to come. In conclusion, the Christ the Redeemer statue stands not only as a towering monument of architectural brilliance but also as a profound symbol of faith, culture, and heritage. Its outstretched arms extend a message of hope and peace to all who gaze upon it, serving as a source of inspiration and solace for millions around the world. As we've explored the origins, architectural marvel, cultural significance, visitor experience, and conservation efforts surrounding the Christ the Redeemer statue, it's evident that this iconic landmark holds a special place in the hearts of both Brazilians and visitors alike. Its enduring presence atop Corcovado Mountain is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of belief. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey to explore the awe-inspiring Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper appreciation for this iconic symbol of faith and cultural heritage. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and spread the wonder of exploration to more people around the world.